Hello everyone, I'm back again. Now we will have a drill, and this drill is composed of a problem that we will solve. Then we will show our solution, then the answer to this problem.
Here's our problem. A scuba diver descends 85 feet, rises 30 feet, descends 14 feet, and then rises 50 feet, where he will do a safety stop for 5 minutes before surfacing. At what depth did he do his safety stop?
Ngayon, dito sa pinakataas, ito yung mga resulting numerical expression. Yung resulting numerical expression, dun sa problem, merong 4 na numbers. Na dun yung negative 85, positive 30, na doon yung negative 14, and positive 50. Ngayon, pag nandoon yung word na descend, we use the negative sign. Tapos yung rises, yun naman yung positive sign. Pagkatapos, ito naman yung commutative. Commutative, dahil ito'y addition, we can associate like-signed numbers. Yung mga like-signed numbers, pag parehas silang negative, ipagsama natin. Pag parehas positive, ipagsama natin. So, dito sa first parenthesis, makikita natin, pinagsama natin yung parehas negative sign. We have negative 85 plus negative 14. I-add natin siya dito sa magkaparehas din na sign. 30 plus 50. Ngayon, negative 85 plus negative 14, pinag-plus natin yung item. Yung items dahil same sign sila. Negative sign, ipag-plus natin. 85 plus 14 equals 99. Copy natin yung kanyang sign na negative. Plus, 30 plus 50 equals 80. Ngayon, magkaibang sign na sila. Negative 99 plus 80. So, ipagmaminus natin. Remember yung ating quadrant. Yun yung rule ng 4. Yung 4. Yung quadrant natin. So, negative 99 plus 80, we have 19. Kakopyahin natin yung number na, yung sign ng number na pinakamataas, which is 99. So, we copy this. Negative 19 ang sagot. So, the diver took his rest stop at negative 19 feet.